question gives us the intermediates for the Swern oxidation and asks us to draw an arrow pushing mechanism. In the first step, I see that we're forming a new sulfur-chlorine bond and kicking out Cl- as a leaving group. So the first step would be the electrons on sulfur attacking chlorine, kicking out Cl- as a leaving group. In the second step, I notice we're forming a new sulfur-oxygen bond and losing the sulfur-chlorine bond. So perhaps a lone pair of electrons on oxygen can attack sulfur and kick out chloride as a good leaving group. Here, the only difference between these two structures is oxygen is being neutralized from oxygen with positive charge to neutral. So we can use the Cl- to deprotonate the hydrogen, forming our HCl byproduct. This one, we see that we are forming a negative charge on this carbon. So the triethylamine is going to act as a base and remove this hydrogen to form a negative charge on sulfur. Here we have a sulfur ylide with the negative and positive charges on adjacent atoms. And we're now doing the formal oxidation to form the aldehyde. The way this step works is we use one of the hydrogens on the carbon bearing the oxygen, and we use a negatively charged carbon of the sulfur ylide. This carbon will grab one of these hydrogens, breaking the CH bond. That bond will shift over to become the new carbonyl bond, break the sulfur-oxygen bond to form a aldehyde and a neutral sulfur product. This is the mechanism for the Swern oxidation.